guys, what is up? Welcome to Day-to-Day Ray with me, your girl Ray Ray. Hey, hi, how's it going? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today's video, I'm going to be making a bridal shower cake, and it's basically two colors, rose gold and white. If you've checked out some of my live streams that I've done recently, I wanted to try to do some more live streams. I've talked about it a few times. There's gonna be a few firsts in this video for me. The first thing, I'm going to be using clear ISOMALT. My husband actually got me this for Christmas, and I have never used it before or worked with it, so this is going to be a first for me. I know that this is on Amazon. On the back it says fancysweets.net, but I know he did get this from Amazon, so I'm going to be trying these out. I'm not sure how many I'm going to use. I'm going to be making diamonds. Sorry about the technical difficulties. My phone decided to take a little dive off the table. That's okay. So I got this diamond mold because I'm going to be doing roses and diamonds. I'm going to be making white roses with a rose gold just along the edges of the petals. And I also purchased this from Amazon. It is edible flakes from Crystal Candy. I will put the links for everything that I'm using down below in the description box as per usual, but these are edible rose gold flakes. Rose gold, love edible flakes, 100% edible. They're made from potato starch, water, palm oil, and that's it. So I am going to be using these, and as you guys know, I've been talking about this a lot on my channel during my live streams. I purchased this edible art metallic cake paint. Get my life together. This is actually pretty pricey and pretty expensive, but it has like a lot of good reviews. It is by Edible Art. It's decorative cake paint. You shake, pour, and paint, and these are all metallic colors. Really pretty. I'm really super excited to use this, and they also do have a second set. It's currently unavailable, but it has all the different golds, silvers, pearls, rose gold, like this. So for this particular set, I only paid $60, but it has gone up to like $79. But I did purchase one bottle of the Edible Art Rose Gold. This was $13. It was $12.99. So I am going to use this as my edging. I also purchased these, this rosebud mold and this more of a 3D rose mold. I'm going to be using these for the roses on the edges of the cake or on the top of the cake. I made some white modeling chocolate, and I also purchased this FMM drip icing cutter. So it looks like drips. And what I am actually going to do is I'm going to go along the edge of this and paint this in rose gold. And then I am going to put this along the top of the cake. And then I'm also going to do the rose petals or the rose leaves in rose gold as well. It's going to be a lot of rose gold. I did get some, a nice cake board, or what are they called? Oh my goodness, a cake drum. I got a really pretty white cake drum by the Cake Boss that this whole cake is gonna go on top of. It's gonna be a yellow cake with white buttercream, and I'm really looking forward to making this cake. I'm gonna try to make it as simple as I possibly can, but it's gonna be roses, diamonds, and pearls, because I'm gonna probably put some pearls up on the top as well. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road and let's see how everything turns out. guys, so our cake is finally done. I absolutely love it. I think it is one of my favorite wedding-ish type cakes that I made. Again, it's really heavy. Here she is. She's so pretty and she's so sparkly. Oh my gosh. I forgot to film me putting the beads around the bottom, but I did that to trim it. I love it. It's very pretty, very wedding-y. She wanted white and rose gold. I delivered. Here are some thoughts that I have about some of the new products that I used. So the one product that I used was the Edible Art decorative cake paint. Now, I liked it, but it wasn't as metallic-y like the Wilton cake paint and my pens, these ones, the glitter glaze, the confectioner's glaze. It took me a couple coats when I did the drips. I actually did like 2 to maybe 3 coats. I kind of did it like fading, like it's very light at the top, and then I tried to make it look darker going down. On the rosebud, it was very oily, so it doesn't stick that well to chocolate. It did kind of beat up and stuff, so I did have to go over again and do the trim around just for it, like, you know. It's not bad. Like, it's not a bad, I did it both on fondant and chocolate to see the difference. And like I said, it did beat up. Like I said, the rosebud was very, very oily to begin with because I needed a little bit too much oils out of it. But the rest of them, it was okay, but I still had to go over it. But on the fondant, it was okay. You can still tell that it's metallic, but I kind of wish it was just a little bit more like shiny to say. It dried kind of matte, but you can still tell it's rose gold and it's still nice. Now for the vanilla pearl fondant. So it's not hard to work with, but it is a very tough fondant. It's not hard, like I said, it's not hard to work with, but it's definitely, I don't want to say dense because I don't think that's the right word, but it is definitely tougher to work with. I don't know if it's all the edible glitter or the pearl dust and stuff in it that makes it like seize up or more like hard to work with, but it definitely is a little bit tougher. I did take a little taste. It tastes whatever. It tastes like fondant. And it had a vanilla taste to it. But I did use just this for the leaves. I used this for the drips and for the pearls. But yeah, I mean, it's, like I said, it was okay. So yeah, I mean, I have it. I will use it. Would I buy it again? I would probably go with the Satin Ice brand and not the Hobby Lobby brand. That's just my personal opinion, but you could probably find this easier than you can the Satin Ice brand, which is available at Michael's, or I could put a link somewhere if you could find it on Amazon, but you're going to pay more for it on Amazon. But yeah, this is just definitely a harder fondant. It's more tough. It's more rubbery to work with. But I mean, all in all, it worked out and it came out nice. So that is going to end this video for this bridal shower cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, please be kind because you don't know what kind of battle someone's going through. So don't be a dick. All right, guys, I love you so much and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.